A simple fact that most people overlook. Don't step directly onto a treadmill after it starts. When the treadmill is turned on, the belt moves backward at a certain speed, while your body remains stationary relative to the ground. If you step on it immediately, the friction under your feet will suddenly pull you backward. Your body needs time to adjust to the treadmill's speed. That's why, during some running exercises, athletes wear a safety belt, so if they lose balance, they can quickly regain control.